Okay, first I'm going to show you what I see down here in Southern California where we saw that sighting, and really don't know what it was, don't know if it was a drone, don't know what it was. Alright, let's go down here, and it was out from this island. Let me see if I can spot it out here again. Yeah, right here. It either looks like a big sunken ship or something. You know, you got squares, and then this leads over in this area. It's got a lot of spots through here. Looks like little squares down in there. You can see those, the shapes like windows. And over from that, we have this spot. Now, the reason it would be cracked like it is it would have to be weak under the surface. So what's causing this area to be weak under the surface to put all these cracks like this? Now we got this. Look at this pattern. It comes up, follow it around, right back down, and it goes over into a big mound over here. But it's just odd the way this is made. Comes around the circle, and these cracks that would show that something is soft up under this area for it to do that. Well, it wouldn't do that. And we got other spots up here. You see this? It's like some kind of buildings or something, but I don't know what it is. I'm just showing you what I found, and I'm not sure what it is, but it's just odd the way everything's connecting here to this area to where we got all these cracks where something's weak underneath it. And Google Map, when they do the Google Maps, you hardly ever see people on it or something because they delete that. And this goes over to here. I don't know what this is either, but it looks to be human made in a way. Got these spots, just the way everything's made, put together. But that's Southern California, right out from San Diego. And here's another thing. It's just a photo. Might as well look at it while we're here. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, go down here to, I guess that's pronounced Faro. Don't know. Look at this image of this. Like a big snowman or something. And people lives on this island. You can tell that's really, really dry over in there. Okay, let's go check out the earthquakes, see what's going on the earthquake. Okay, we're going to look at Hawaii first. And you see up here where we was talking about the Pacific plate, where it's moving, it's putting pressure on Hawaii over through here in the Hawaii Islands, and that puts pressure on the west coast. So that's why we're still looking for a large quake for the west coast. We got to watch for it just in case. This is a 3.7 southeast of Hana, Hawaii, 6.2 miles deep. I've never seen an earthquake in that exact spot right there. It's showing this putting pressure on it. Mauna Kea, 1.9, 12.7 miles deep beside of Mauna Kea. And on this side, a 1.9. Then we got a 2.3. Not much else going on, except for on the slump and on the side of Mauna Loa. Now let's back this up and go up here to Alaska. Alright, Alaska, you see all this small activity, not 1, 2.5 or greater in Alaska, nowhere. Get this moved back up here. There's not 1, 2.5 or greater up there, and we come on down and we got a 4.2 off the coast of Oregon, 6.2 miles deep. It's heading right down toward the Blanco fracture zone, and we got this here starting to show a lot of activity again. 3.3 was the Petrolia, California, 11.2 miles deep. That's on the Mendocino Fault that comes across the Pacific Plate. And we got a swarm over here, Walker Lane Fault coming up through here. That's aftershocks still yet around Urinton, Nevada. And oh, that's Las Vegas. See it? After we started talking about Las Vegas, we started seeing activity through here just scattered out. We've seen one almost dead center of the Las Vegas city. This one here is a 0.9 northwest of Summerlin, South Nevada, 2.8 miles deep, right on the edge of the city. And we talked about this, if you can remember. All right, now it's not on the Garlock Fault. Garlock Fault comes right through here. You can actually see the fault line coming through here, up around Ridgecrest and Little Lake, Searles Valley. Just small activity. Got a 3.7. What is that? Contour Creek? I can't tell. Anyway, it's a creek. You can tell where it's at there. 3.7, 1.2 miles deep. Let's go over through here. Yellowstone, 1.4. What was that just hit? Alright, now that's Mount St. Helens, so that is northwest of Mount St. Helens, 1.6. Here's Yellowstone, 1.0. It's not much going on. That one right there, I don't like them when they're around the lake. It's not good. Okay, we had a 4.0 south of White City, New Mexico. And on over, a 3.1 Moringsport, Louisiana, southwest from there, 3.1 miles deep. Louisiana's starting to get quakes too, over in here and over in Alabama. 2.1 north of Ridgely, Tennessee, 2.6 miles deep. This is on the major seismic zone. Let's back it up. Okay, I don't see nothing else. And this one here should be right on the Texas border. Yeah, that quake there, that's abnormal for the Hawaii Islands around Hana. Alright, let's take a look around here. See how deep these quakes are. 4.8 around Fiji, 380.9 miles deep, almost 381 miles deep. 5.4 around the Solomon Islands. So we only got this one deep quake so far right here. Real deep. Alright, let's see what's going on over here. At 5.0. Now they usually cause a lot of damage over through here when we get 5.0s and greater because of the crust. A 4.5 around Russia, 6.2 miles deep, and a 4.9 down in South Africa. That's odd in that spot. And a 4.9 Central Mid-Atlantic Ridge. So we're watching for a larger quake, and like I said, it looked like the weakest spot was right here, and things haven't changed very much. It's starting to show up over here, a little pressure, but this side right here is under pressure more. And we had the 4.2, and that's before you get to the Blanco fracture zone, so that has nothing to do with these quakes down here around Petrolia. I mean, it's the same fault, but it's not in the same area. All right, I'll see you on I was going to say see you on the next updates, but let me show you Canada. Don't want to leave Canada out. Okay, 10 hours ago, reported shaking, and 1.9. 37 more minutes ago, reported shaking. And off the coast, the 4.2 off the coast of Oregon, 5 hours ago. Let's go over here on this side. Reported shaking 18 hours ago, 4 hours ago, and 17 hours ago. All three areas through here reported shaking. These are ones around Connecticut, almost in the middle. Buffalo and Ottawa, however how they pronounce that. Anyway, I'll see you all on the next updates. Everybody stay safe, and we'll be watching.